Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 and let me share with you how to free up storage without removing the apps. So first of all, let's open the settings and here scroll and find the apps. Let's tap. Here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on your device, and what I highly recommend to do here is to remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app, and they are occupying memory. So let's simply go through all of those apps, especially those which you're frequently using. Tap on the app and tap on the storage. Maybe that's not the best example because here we've got no cache saved, so let me choose maybe contacts. Tap on storage, and here we've got the cache. So simply tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, and tap on OK. And your device will immediately remove it. So as I said, go through all of those apps to remove cache. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to simply use the cleaner. If you cannot find a separate icon of the cleaner, no worries, because it is inside the security, included in the security. So simply tap on the security. It is pre-installed by your developer, so for sure you've got one. And here what we have to do is to first of all tap on optimize. Your device will remove unnecessary files, temporary files. Then you can go to cleaner, and here, as you can see, we've got different sections which we can remove. However, in my case there are no trash, so if no trash, then that's great. And here you've got a deep clean, and I highly recommend to check it, because here, as you can see, we've got, for example, the categories connected with the photos, with videos, etc. With let me enter the photos. So here your device will show you different categories of the photos. So for example, accidental photos, under or overexposed, so those which are not in their best quality, etc. And you will be able to go through them and simply remove those which are not necessary. Same situation with videos. I simply do not have any kind of video here, but your device will show you this category also. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to check your downloads, because let's be honest, usually we are downloading a lot of stuff and after that we actually forget about it, but obviously those files are still saved and they are occupying the memory. And to do that, to check them, I highly recommend simply swiping, try to find the file manager. It doesn't matter whether you will use the file manager which is pre-installed on this device, so it is provided by the developer. You can use any kind of third-party file manager. It's completely up to you. But in every file manager you will find the section which is called downloads. Okay. So let me go to browse. Maybe not here. Tap on the three dots icon. Maybe settings. Just give me a second, so I will find downloads, because we should have that kind of section. Oh, it's here. So transfers and downloads. So just tap on this option and go through all of those files which are there and remove those which are not really that necessary. And as a last resort, maybe not last resort, but the last option I wanted to discuss is the backup. I will not show you the full operation, the full backup option, because we've got a separate tutorial, really detailed, of how to do it in this device, so I highly recommend to check it. However, I just wanted to mention that option because it has a lot of advantages, and two which are the most important are, first of all, that you will be able to save the photos and videos in a completely different space, in a completely different place, like for example, I don't know, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive. You can choose whatever platform you'd like to, and thanks to it you will still have the access to your files if something is wrong with your device. So for example, if it is damaged, stolen, or whatever, you will still be able to I don't know, download your photos, etc. And another advantage is that if you've got something saved in another place, you can, for example, remove it from your internal storage. Thanks to it, you will release the memory without the need to remove apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.